In this video, I'll show you how you can redirect your GoDaddy domain to another website. So this is very simple. So this is my GoDaddy domain. So this is checkmarkacademy.online, and I want to redirect this domain to this site. So this is .space. So this is different domain. And now how you can do this is simple. You just need to go to your domain section on the left side. From here, you want to click on this connect domain, this button. So click on it, and from here you have a couple of options. So you can connect it to GoDaddy website or GoDaddy domain, but that's not what we want. So there is this option to connect any website or external destination like Shopify, I don't know, LinkedIn, Wix, but I will choose this connect to any website. So click on it. From here, you just need to add a link of the website where you want to redirect it. So I'm going to copy this URL. Paste it here, then click connect domain. So when a user goes to this link, it will redirect him to this. Now you need to click on advanced options, and from here you can choose a permanent redirect or temporary or forward with masking. So let's say I'm going to choose temporary. I don't want to make it permanent. Then just click connect domain. Now you just make sure it's correct, the domain you pasted, and then just click continue. Domain connection done. So now if I open this checkmarkacademy.online, it should redirect me to this .space domain. So let's try it. I'm gonna copy this domain. And it's not working because the domain wasn't updated yet. So you will see these domain updates take effect within an hour, but could take up to 48 hours to update globally. So all you need to do is just wait, and you can try it later again, and then it's going to work. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.